We are pleased to show you the 2025 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 400 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, tire pressure monitor, integrated turn signal mirrors. Come take a test drive today.